In this lesson, we'll learn a new word. It's called commission. What is commission? Lots of people have heard it sometime or the other. If you haven't, you will. Commission. Now, if you have a house, suppose you're the owner of this house and you want to sell this house. It's for sale. So what you do is you contact a person who you call your agent. He represents your interests. He is going to carry out your intention to sell the house because he's an expert on selling houses. So he's called the agent. So you call up the guy and say, hey, I want to sell this house. The agent says, sure, I sell the house for him. Now, I do that for a price. It means for every $100 of sale, I get $6. That means $6 he receives for every $100 worth of sale. That's basically saying he earns 6% commission. That's the word commission. So what he earns as a percentage of the sale is called the commission. So he earns 6% commission. That means for every $100 sale. And after he takes out his 6% commission, the remaining 94% goes, of course, back to the owner. So the owner actually earns $94 out of every $100 for which he sells the house. So suppose he sold the house for $300,000. What will be the owner's commission? If he sold it for $300,000, let's put it in a grid. The selling price is $300,000 and the commission is 6% off this selling price, which means we calculate 6% of 300,000, which actually comes to 0.06 times 300,000, and the answer, of course, is 18,000. So it's $18,000 that this agent gets as his commission. It's what he earned. And that $18,000 is paid out of the $300,000 that was received for selling the house. So out of the $300,000, the owner gets not all of the $300,000, but he has to pay out $18,000 to this agent. And whatever is left, that's $282,000, is what he gets. So that is what the owner gets for the house. You got it? That's the whole idea of commission. So if $300,000 is the total selling price, the agent gets $18,000, the owner will get $18,000 less than $300,000, which means $282,000 is the final selling price as far as the owner is concerned. It's because he paid towards the cost of this transaction. Let's look at, say, this house here. And this lady is going to be selling this house. So she's the agent. Now she earns 4% commission. 4% commission on the first $15,000 of the selling price. And then she earns 3.25% commission on the remaining selling price. Let's try to understand that. To earn 4% commission on the first $15,000 of the selling price. Now the selling price is $250,000. The first $15,000 off the $250,000, she earns a commission of 4%. Means 4% of 15,000. So the remaining bit is 235,000 because you took away 15,000 from 250,000, so that's 235,000. And she earns 3.25% commission on this. So let's work that out. 3.25% of 235,000 is how much? Let's work both of them out. This is 0.04 times 15,000. This is 0.0325 times 235,000, and the answer, the actual commission that she's going to get, is $600 on the first 15,000 and $7,637.50 for the next remaining bid on $235,000. That's what she gets. Altogether, how much will the owner get after paying all this commission? Well, if you add up all this commission, it comes to what? Almost $8,237.50. So $8,237 roughly. That's what she earns as her commission. So how much is the house actually sold for after you pay the commission? Now the owner, that's what he gets. He doesn't get $250,000. That's what the person who bought it paid. Out of that, the owner pays this agent this amount over here. So once this is paid, take it out of $250,000, and that's what you get. That's what the owner gets for selling the house. $241,762.50 to be exact. That's how it works. There you go. So let's do some more. One last one. The monthly income of a car salesman is $1,200. So he gets $1,200 flat plus a 6% commission on all his car sales. So he gets $1,200 like a salary, a fixed salary. On top of that, he gets 6% commission on any sales he makes of the cars. Okay, now let's look at the facts. We know this. Let's translate this into a transaction. Means a certain calculation of how much this amounts to. Let's work it out with numbers. We reason here with numbers. So $1,200, that is the salesman's income, plus 6% commission on the sales. We know that's how we calculate the income of the salesman. Now, we find that the commission is 6% of all his car sales. Now, we don't know what the total car sales are, but we know that 6% of all his total car sales is what he gets. That would be his total income. So if we do that, we do have the information about his total income. It says here, he earned a total income of $3,000, but the commission is 6% of his car sales. Now, the total income here, his total income comes to $1,200 plus 6% of the sales. And if his total income is $3,000, all we do is put $3,000 here. So we know that $3,000 includes the $1,200, which is his salary, plus 6% of sales, which is his commission. So if we take out the salary from this, that means this must be the total income he got from the sales. This must represent 6% of his total sales. So if 6% of his total car sales is $1,800, how much are the sales? Well, if we multiply this by sales, we'll get this. So to get the answer to this, all we do is divide 1,800 by 0.06, and the answer comes to $30,000. So that's his total sale. So we worked out, calculate his total car sales for January. His total car sales for January was $30,000. Okay? You can go over this one more time if you're not sure. But that's where we'll stop word problem solving for now, and we'll carry on with percentages, looking at it, the way it's used in different situations. So until then, go over this and make sure you understand the word problems really well. Take care, have a great day, and enjoy. Bye-bye.